So it's clear at this point that sacked Rajasthan Deputy Chief Minister Sachin Pilot is still carefully weighing his options and what exactly to do next. MLAs of the Pilot camp, they've been at the ITC Grand Hotel in Haryana's Manesar. Congress MP Rahul Gandhi had yesterday offered an olive branch to Pilot in a last-ditch attempt to woo back Sachin Pilot. Rahul Gandhi had stepped in and asked the party to send across a message to him that the doors of the party are still open for him. The Congress party has also asked at this point Ashok Gehlot to refrain from publicly making any statement against Pilot. After Pilot denied joining the BJP, it's still unclear if he will continue to work and stay in the Congress or whether he'll float a new party. The challenge for Pilot has increased manifold as Gehlot has claimed that 3 MLAs from the rebel camp are now in touch with them. Let's take this across to Anand Patel for more details. He is joining us live from outside Sachin Pilot's residence in Delhi. So Anand, now we know that the Pilot camp, that is the MLAs as well as Sachin Pilot, they're going to be filing a plea in the Rajasthan High Court. But as far as his political move is concerned, there's still a lot of uncertainty, no clarity really on what Pilot is thinking.
Well, Akshata, we've been saying this right from day one. Since this deadlock began, the foremost agenda of Sachin Pilot camp is to bring down Gehlot government if there is no change of leadership in the Congress government in Rajasthan. If the High Command doesn't give in to the demand of Sachin Pilot of a change in leadership, then Sachin Pilot will be going all out to dislodge Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot with the help of the BJP. Now see what the comments which came yesterday after Gehlot criticized Pilot for trying to grab power without any struggle, without much hard work. There was a statement from Randeep Surjewala later in the afternoon which says that, Sachin Pilot, door for him is all open. The High Command is ready to welcome him despite all that he's doing, despite the fact that he's putting his MLAs in the BJP's hotel. So that move is yet to come from Sachin Pilot if at all he wants a compromise with the Congress party. Now, with the things moving to High Court, it's all legal now. You see the notices which were served to 19 MLAs, including Sachin Pilot. Now, Pilot camp is taking the court route. And once the matter is in the court, there is a very likely possibility that the court intervenes and asks for a floor test. Now, if that happens, anything can happen. What we've also learning, Akshita, and we can break this news right now, that the Gehlot camp might be moving for filing criminal cases against members of the Sachin Pilot camp for holding back the MLAs. At least 3 MLAs, family members of at least 3 MLAs are likely to file a police complaint for kidnapping and abducting and holding the MLAs against their will. So clearly now things are getting even more serious, and some key developments are likely to happen today, because tomorrow is the last day of the speaker's notice, as they have to present before them and present their case. If that doesn't happen, then they are likely to be disqualified. But Sachin Pilot camp knows that the disqualification process is a long haul. That is why they are holding on.
All right, Anand, thank you for joining us with all the details on that story.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.